This video will teach you how to access your Microsoft Office download. First, you'll need to go to www.o365.com. Upon arriving at that page, click the Sign In prompt in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to a page where you can sign in with your midway.edu email address. If your account is already connected, it will give you a prompt allowing you to connect to Windows. Otherwise, you will need to input your password. Once you're signed in, it will redirect you to the Microsoft Office Apps and Products page. You'll see a box entitled Install Office Apps. Click that, and then choose Office 2016. This will ask you to run, save, or cancel. You will choose Run. Then select Yes. This will open an Office download page. Please be patient during this time because the download can take several minutes. Once the installation is done, simply close the prompts. If you need any further assistance, feel free to email us at thecenter@midway.edu or find us on Facebook at The Center at Midway.